Yeah, welcome to one of our show. We're still in Namibia, so we're with a bunch of friends here in the background. You can see where they sleep there. You know, we're gonna be. Gaja! What are you hunting? Elephant or tiger? Rabbit? Uh,
kudu, oryx, eland, giraffe, but except
Giraffe.
not the giraffe,
Oh, really?
but except the elephant and the rhino because their skin are too thick. With oils.
Antelope. Okay.
It's very nice.
Huh?
Stand there.
Okay. Let's go hunting. Okay, let's say cafeteria meeting point. Okay? Cafeteria meeting point. Okay? Cafeteria meeting point. Gaja! And go like this. Like this. Gaja! Very good. Yeah, you guys are good. How old are these kids? He's older.
Yeah.
26.
26.
18 years.
18. Hi everybody. So let me show you some of the trees here that they have. You can make some comments here about the type of tree there,
Yes.
and the cameraman can do that.
Okay. So that's Sylvain
Hugging the tree
hugging the big baobab tree.
like a hippie.
Yeah, you can see the measurements. 2, 3, 4, and around. It's very big.
Try not to step on
5, 6, 7, 9,
11,
12.
12. 12 meters in diameter.
It almost looks like rock.
Yeah,
Touch it.
that's how old it is.
That's how it looks. If you get closer, this is almost. This feels like.
Petrified forest.
You know, this tree is probably maybe 2,000 years old, maybe more.
Could be more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
The tree is having fruit.
in the rainy season, I guess there's the leaves comes out.
Yeah, the leaves comes out and they've got. Let me show you quickly the fruit.
The two fruits.
The 2 fruits there.
You see them?
There.
And actually, this tree is probably full of water now. It holds a lot of water. Are we going to be able to kill? Throw afterwards. Yeah, we're going to aim at him. Okay, that's good. He'll be happy. He'll be very happy. We're going to throw at you. Yes. He'll be very happy.
Poison or without poison?
Yeah, we won't put in the poison.
You're a very good hunter. Get married.
You get a white guy.
Get a wife.
But now, if you're not hunter,
No, if you're not a hunter,
you get a wife.
difficult to get a wife.
So besides hunting,